Hey guys, welcome back to the fun. Bam! And in today's video, I'm going to be sorting fidgets. I don't really like fidgets anymore. I don't really play with them anymore, but I just have a bunch. So I'm just going to sort them and show you each and every one. Okay, let's get started. And so first we have I'm just going to randomly pick. We have this puppet, and it is actually pretty good. I got it from Target, so yeah. But we're gonna put it in the puppet pile, which is gonna be right here. And then we have a pop soup. I got this from the party store. And I also got this one from the party store. But I don't have that. I only have the 2 pop tubes. So, yeah. And I have this, which I actually do play with this. I don't remember what it's called. But I do play with this one because it's pretty fun. And also, it is really, really easy. So, because all you have to do is just match the right color with the right spot. I have that one and I have this one. This one is a little harder to move, but this one's just really easy. So, and I'll show you the piles after when I'm done. And then we have a mini puppet, which I got last year from a party that we had at school. I'm just going to put this with mini puppets. And I have a snapper, which most of my stuff is a lot of it is rainbowed and stuff like that. So I'm going to put a snapper. I only have one snapper, but we have this wacky track, and I have a bunch of these wacky tracks. So I have another one of these colors, and then we have a blue and orange. Okay, I have a simple dimple, which I got this from the party store as well. A lot of this stuff that's in here is from the party store and from my birthday, because I got a lot of stuff for my birthday. So we're just going to put and one of my fidgets is not in here. So we're just going to put dimples over here. I have this, I got this in a pack, but it's a unicorn puppet. I'm probably going to end up selling most of my fidgets. And then I have this puppet, which is actually really good. And then we have a snake, which I'm just going to put it with the wacky tracks because I only have one. I have a whale puppet. I have this puppet fidget spinner. And then I have another puppet fidget spinner. Sorry for the noise in the background, but. And then I have a blue and green wacky track. I have another blue and orange. I have a couple of big monkey noodles. And then I have tiny monkey noodles. Because this is the comparison. So we have marble mash. I have 2, a light blue and a dark blue. And then I have this dimple, or not, this dimple digits, which it has numbers on it, and then numbers in Spanish on the back. So that's a dimple digits. And I have another tiny monkey noodle here. Another marble mash. I have another little tiny puppet, butterfly and its keychain. All my little ones are keychains. And then I have this tiny one. Like this is this one compared to this one. And then I have I don't know what this is. I forgot what it's called. And then we have another tiny monkey noodle. And we have a bunch of emojis. So I have this little emoji. And I have a peanut popper. That was not supposed to happen. Like the whole thing came out. We'll fix it later. I don't even know how that happened. We have another Pop-It fidget spinner. We have quite a few of those. We have another marble mash that's yellow. We have a cupcake Pop-It. I got it from a shoe store. I have a bracelet Pop-It. Like you just pop these and you go like that. I'm just gonna put these with the mini Pop-Its. So we have a regular fidget spinner. Just gonna put it with all the other fidget spinners. We have a TikTok Pop-It. Don't mind, I don't know what happened because I was like writing on it. So we have this TikTok Pop-It, which I got from the party store. We have a Pop-It ball. It's actually pretty good. You just put that with the mini Pop-Its. And then we have all the boxes to my fidget spinner Pop-Its. We have a flamingo Pop-It. I don't have all my fidgets here. Some are at my Nana's house. I have a llama Pop-It. And this miniature Pop-It. I have an infinity cube. I have this. I have it's a game Pop-It, so you roll the dice and then whatever you land on, you pop that mini. And then whoever gets these down first wins. And then that's a 3-player. And then I have a 2-player. And I have another like monkey noodle. I have a marble mesh, a purple one. I have another bracelet Pop-It. I had this one and a purple one, but I gave the purple one to my cousin. And then I have a slinky. I have another peanut popper. I have another Pop-It fidget spinner. I have another monkey noodle. I have a regular fidget spinner, and I have another Pop-It fidget spinner. I have a pink monkey noodle. And then I have this, it's like a sequins bracelet thing. I have a wacky track, another one. This is just like a keychain. I don't even think anything's in it. No, nothing's in it. It's not a fidget. I don't know what's in it. I have a stress ball. I think this one's popped. Maybe not. Hopefully not. And it's color changing look. It gets hard if you don't play with it, so I had another one of these, but it popped. Oh gosh. So I have this one, and I have a jumbo stress ball, which I like to like get a part of it like this, and get all the water. Maybe that's not enough. but just get all the water, not the little thing that's in the things that's in there. It takes a little while. You know what? I'll just do it in a different video. Another sequence bracelet. And I have a squishy. And I have another squishy. Oh, and I have another monkey noodle, mini one. And then I have this. I won it at a fair. It lights up and it squeaks. And then, yeah, I have this little, it's not really a fidget, but it holds your phone up. So that's all. But I'm about to show you what my room looks like. And I'm about to have to pick it all up because it's a mess now. So we have all this stuff. So, yeah. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we get a new video. Bye! And our next goal, 70 subscribers. Bye, guys!